Today, bring a touch of Zen serenity into your own living spaces, creating an environment that promotes peace, balance, and a deep connection with nature. Hello, welcome to Breaking Sign, where we bring you the latest in architecture innovation. In this video, we take you on a journey through the art of creating serene and harmonious living spaces inspired by the timeless elegance of modern Japanese architecture. We'll explore how Tranquility architecture can transform your home into a peaceful sanctuary, blending minimalist design with natural elements to foster relaxation and well-being. Architecture frame house. Modern Japanese homes are renowned for their Tranquility architecture, which seamlessly blends minimalist design with natural elements to create serene living spaces. This approach not only enhances aesthetic appeal but also promotes relaxation and well-being, making it a popular choice for those seeking a peaceful urban retreat. Serenity Zen Garden Design. Zen garden design is integral to contemporary Japanese houses, offering a serene oasis that promotes relaxation and well-being. These gardens use natural materials and minimalist aesthetics to create peaceful environments that soothe the mind and soul, making them an essential feature for modern living spaces. Relaxation outdoor living. Achieving tranquility in outdoor living spaces involves integrating the principles of Zen design. Japanese Tranquility outdoor furniture and design elements create serene environments that promote relaxation and mindfulness. These spaces are perfect for unwinding and reconnecting with nature. Minimalist living room design. Embrace minimalist Zen with Tranquility living room design in modern Japanese interiors. Create spacious and relaxing living areas that prioritize simplicity and clarity, fostering a peaceful and uncluttered home. By focusing on minimalism, natural materials, neutral colors, and thoughtful decor, you can transform your living room into a serene sanctuary that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. Modern kitchen design. Zen design emphasizes simplicity and minimalism. In modern Japanese kitchens, this means clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and a focus on essential elements. Opt for sleek, handleless cabinets, integrated appliances, and open shelving to create an airy and spacious feel. Minimalism not only enhances the visual appeal but also makes the kitchen more functional and efficient. Simplicity dining room design. Ensure that your dining room is both functional and thoughtfully designed. Incorporate smart storage solutions to keep the space tidy and organized. Built-in cabinets, minimalist shelves, and discrete storage units can help maintain a clutter-free environment. A well-organized dining room enhances the sense of tranquility and makes mealtimes more enjoyable. Spacious corridor design. Maximize natural light to create a bright and uplifting corridor. Large windows, skylights, and sliding glass doors can flood the space with light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Use sheer curtains or wood blinds to control the light while maintaining a connection with the outdoors. Ensure that the corridor is spacious and free of clutter, allowing for easy navigation and a sense of openness. Indoor-outdoor integration. One of the key elements of Japanese home design is the integration of nature. A Tranquility patio serves as a perfect space to bring the outdoors in, allowing you to enjoy the calming effects of nature from the comfort of your home. Utilize natural materials such as wood and stone to create a harmonious connection with the surrounding environment. Thoughtful bathroom design. Embrace modern tranquility with Zen bathroom design in Japanese homes. By integrating natural elements, minimalist layouts, and ambient lighting, you can create a space that promotes relaxation and well-being. Incorporate Japanese-inspired decor and sustainable design practices to enhance the authenticity and beauty of your Zen bathroom. Modern bedroom design. Create a peaceful and tranquil retreat with Tranquility bedroom design in Japanese house design. By embracing Zen principles, incorporating natural materials, and prioritizing simplicity and harmony, you can craft a serene bedroom that promotes relaxation and well-being. Incorporate Japanese-inspired decor elements and personalized touches to make the space feel uniquely yours and enhance its cultural richness. Tranquility modern Japanese homes. At the heart of Tranquility architecture is minimalist design, which focuses on simplicity and functionality. By eliminating clutter and emphasizing clean lines, minimalist interiors create a calm and orderly environment. This design philosophy is a cornerstone of modern Japanese homes, where every element serves a purpose and contributes to the overall sense of peace. Incorporating natural elements is key to achieving tranquility in modern Japanese homes. Wood and stone are commonly used materials that bring a touch of nature indoors. These materials not only add warmth and texture but also help to establish a harmonious connection between the interior and the surrounding environment. Modern Japanese homes often feature open spaces and seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor areas. Sliding doors and large windows allow natural light to flood the interiors, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. These design elements also facilitate a smooth flow between the living spaces and the garden, enhancing the sense of tranquility. Creating peaceful garden spaces. Zen gardens, also known as karasansui or dry landscape gardens, embody tranquility through their use of simple, natural elements. Sand or gravel raked into patterns represents water, while rocks symbolize islands or mountains. This minimalist approach helps create a calm and reflective space, ideal for meditation and relaxation. Natural materials play a crucial role in Zen garden design. Stones, sand, and gravel are meticulously arranged to evoke natural landscapes, while elements like bonsai, moss, and carefully selected plants add texture and life. These materials not only enhance the garden's aesthetic appeal but also foster a deep connection with nature. Transform your contemporary Japanese house into a calm oasis with Tranquility Zen garden design. By using natural materials, clean lines, and minimalist aesthetics, you can create ambient spaces that suit the mind and soul. Whether through the integration of water features, thoughtful lighting, or the seamless blending of indoor and outdoor spaces, Zen gardens offer a harmonious and tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Calming aesthetics outdoor furniture. Natural elements are key to creating a Zen-inspired outdoor living area. Use materials like stone and wood to create a harmonious and organic feel. These materials blend seamlessly with the natural landscape, enhancing the sense of tranquility and providing a calming backdrop for outdoor activities. Choose outdoor furniture that complements the Zen aesthetic. Opt for minimalist designs with clean lines and natural materials. Low, wooden seating arrangements, tatami mats, and simple, elegant tables help to create a space that feels both welcoming and serene. The right furniture can transform an ordinary garden into a tranquil retreat. Water features are essential in Japanese outdoor design. Incorporate elements such as koi ponds, waterfalls, or simple bamboo water fountains to introduce the soothing sound of flowing water. These features not only add aesthetic appeal but also create a peaceful auditory experience that enhances relaxation. A well-designed Zen garden can also increase the aesthetic appeal and value of your property, providing a beautiful and functional space for relaxation and entertainment. Crafting relaxing interiors. Minimalism is at the heart of modern Japanese living room design. Focus on decluttering and using only essential furniture and decor items. This approach not only creates a clean and spacious environment but also helps reduce stress and enhance mental clarity. Opt for low-profile furniture with simple lines to maintain an open and airy feel. Choose furniture that embodies simplicity and elegance. Low, wooden sofas and coffee tables, tatami mats, and floor cushions are ideal for creating a Zen-inspired living room. Ensure that the furniture is functional and comfortable, promoting relaxation and ease of movement. Select decor items that reflect simplicity and mindfulness. Avoid overcrowding the space with too many decorations. Instead, choose a few meaningful pieces such as a Japanese calligraphy scroll, a Zen garden, or minimalist artwork. These items can enhance the aesthetic appeal without overwhelming the senses. Modern Japanese living experience. Modern Japanese kitchen design embraces the principles of Zen, focusing on simplicity, natural materials, and harmony. This approach transforms your kitchen into a tranquil space that promotes a balanced and peaceful lifestyle. Functionality is a cornerstone of modern Japanese kitchen design. Every element should have a purpose and contribute to the overall harmony of the space. Incorporate smart storage solutions like pull-out drawers, built-in organizers, and multifunctional furniture to keep the kitchen clutter-free. A streamlined design ensures that everything is within easy reach, making cooking and meal preparation more efficient. Experience harmonious living with Zen design in modern Japanese kitchen design. Incorporate tranquil spaces that foster a balanced lifestyle, blending functionality with calming aesthetics for a serene home environment. By focusing on simplicity, natural materials, neutral colors, and thoughtful decor, you can transform your kitchen into a tranquil sanctuary that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. Designing ambient dining spaces. Incorporate simplicity and minimalism into your dining room to create an uncluttered and serene environment. Choose clean lines and minimalistic furniture that enhance the sense of space and openness. A simple dining table with sleek chairs, free of ornate details, can set the tone for a tranquil dining experience. Use natural materials to bring warmth and authenticity to your dining room. Wood and stone are ideal choices for furniture and decor. A wooden dining table paired with soft chairs, stoneware dishes, and natural fiber textiles can create a harmonious connection to nature. These materials not only look beautiful but also evoke a sense of calm and stability. Select decor items that reflect simplicity and mindfulness. Avoid overcrowding the space with too many decorations. Instead, choose a few meaningful pieces such as a Japanese tea set, minimalistic artwork, or a small Zen garden. These items can enhance the aesthetic appeal without overwhelming the senses. Simplicity and clarity corridor. Select minimalist decor to maintain a sense of simplicity and clarity. Avoid overcrowding the corridor with too many decorations. Instead, choose a few meaningful pieces such as simple artwork, a small Zen garden, or a Japanese lantern. These items can enhance the aesthetic appeal without overwhelming the senses. Incorporate functional storage solutions to keep the corridor tidy and organized. Built-in cabinets, minimalist shelves, and discrete storage units can help maintain a clutter-free environment. A well-organized corridor enhances the sense of tranquility and makes the space more enjoyable to use. Incorporating Tranquility corridor design into your Japanese home offers numerous benefits. It creates a peaceful and harmonious environment that promotes relaxation and mindful living. A tranquil corridor can enhance the overall well-being of your home, making it a more pleasant and stress-free place to live. Natural landscapes patio design. Create a tranquil ambience by incorporating elements such as water features, greenery, and natural light. A small koi pond, a zen garden, or a simple fountain can add a soothing auditory element to your patio. Potted plants, bonsai trees, and hanging planters introduce greenery, while maximizing natural light enhances the overall sense of tranquility. Adopt a minimalist approach to patio design to maintain a sense of clarity and peace. Minimalist design emphasizes the use of clean lines, open spaces, and a restrained color palette. This approach reduces visual clutter and helps create a calm and orderly space that encourages relaxation and mindfulness. Select functional and stylish furniture that complements the minimalist design. Choose pieces made from natural materials such as teak, rattan, or bamboo, and opt for neutral colors that blend with the outdoor environment. Comfortable seating, low tables, and minimalist decor can enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your patio. Japanese Zen bathroom design. Integrate natural elements such as wood and stone into your bathroom design to evoke a sense of serenity and connection with nature. Use these materials for flooring, countertops, and accent pieces to add warmth and texture to the space. Zen bathroom design draws inspiration from traditional Japanese aesthetics, focusing on simplicity, harmony, and mindfulness. By incorporating Zen principles into your bathroom, you can create a space that promotes relaxation and well-being. Adopt minimalist layouts to optimize space and create a sense of openness in your bathroom. Keep surfaces clutter-free and prioritize clean lines and simple shapes to promote a sense of calm and tranquility. Opt for minimalist fixtures such as wall-mounted sinks and sleek faucets to maintain a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. Choose fixtures made from high-quality materials such as stainless steel or brushed nickel for durability and style. Decorate your Zen bathroom with nature-inspired elements such as plants, pebbles, and natural textiles to bring the outdoors in. Incorporate elements of Japanese design such as bamboo mats, bonsai trees, and shoji screens to add authenticity and charm. Enhance wellness with serene bedroom. Embrace simplicity and minimalism in your bedroom design by decluttering the space and focusing on essential elements. Opt for clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and minimalist furniture to create a sense of spaciousness and serenity. Incorporating Zen principles into your bedroom design can transform it into a serene sanctuary conducive to rest and relaxation. By prioritizing simplicity, natural elements, and a sense of balance, you can create a tranquil space that promotes well-being and harmony. Integrate natural materials such as wood and stone into your bedroom design to evoke a sense of connection with nature. Choose furniture, flooring, and decor made from sustainable materials to enhance the room's organic feel and promote environmental consciousness. Incorporate Japanese-inspired decor elements such as shoji screens, tatami mats, and bonsai plants to add authenticity and character to your bedroom design. These traditional elements can help create a sense of cultural richness and tranquility in the space. Well, we've delved into the serene world of Tranquility architecture, uncovering the secrets of Zen garden designs, minimalist interiors, and harmonious outdoor living spaces. By integrating natural elements and thoughtful design principles, you can create a home that not only looks beautiful but also feels like a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether you're revamping your living room, designing a tranquil patio, or crafting a Zen-inspired bedroom, remember that simplicity and nature are your guiding principles. Embrace these elements, and you'll transform your home into a sanctuary of tranquility and well-being. Thanks for joining us today on Breaking Sign. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting architecture insights. Until next time, keep creative idea running.